Hi guys, so we're going to be pressing our first mugs. We're going to be using the glitter mug and a regular mug. Both of these mugs are from our Etsy store, and you can also get them from our website. They're all sublimation mug. Okay, so you open the booklet that it came with, the instruction booklet, and just make sure you look for the right settings when you want to do whenever you want to use our press. Okay, so since we're doing we're going to be using number 2, which is glass mugs, and that will be suitable for whatever, for what we're doing now. Okay, so all you need is your tape, you need your image. I'll go ahead and post another video on how to get your image, and you can see they're already mirrored, right? Okay, we're going to put our press up. I have already set it, but if it wasn't set before, you will go, let me go and clear it. You go on set. My bad, hold on. You go on set, and when you press set, you'll see SP. SP stands for, setting your temperature, okay? So we want our temperature at, what's the direction here? It's going to be 356, okay? Fahrenheit. So in order for you to increase your timing, you'll go up. But again, we want it for 356. So we're going down 356, okay? Now you press set. The timing here is asking for 280, okay? Seconds. So 280 again. If you want to increase it, you go up. You want to decrease, you come down. Okay, so as soon as, and then you press set. So it's gonna go all the way to 356, and when it goes to 356, it's gonna stop. So you'll go ahead and wrap your mugs, and as soon as you put it together, it's gonna start pressing. You can see it's already set. Okay, so I'll go ahead and then wrap my tumbler, my mugs, and we'll go ahead and press and see how that comes out.